Welcome to today's explainer. We're diving right into the ultimate blueprint of the digital age, the internet. We'll be breaking down this entire chapter, line by line, unpacking all those core concepts, the hardware and the networks, and making sense of it all. So let's just jump right in. Okay, here's our roadmap for today. First, a quick welcome to the internet, followed by uses and connection requirements. Then we'll cover key terminology, browsers and search engines, and wrap it all up by solving the practice questions together. All right, Section 1, Welcome to the Internet.
So, the internet is, at its core, a giant worldwide network. You know how you can instantly message a relative halfway across the globe or find answers in literally seconds? Well, that magic is this global system of interconnected networks. It lets us share a massive amount of information everywhere. And it pulls this off using a mix of satellites, telephone lines, and optical fiber cables. Because it connects so many smaller networks together, you'll often hear it called the network of networks. Pretty cool, right?
Moving right along to Section 2, Uses and Connection Requirements. Now, the sheer variety of ways we use the internet every single day is honestly staggering. It's our primary global communication tool through email for sure, but it also literally puts the bank right at your fingertips with e-banking. And online shopping, that's completely changed the game. Plus, it's just this absolute ocean of knowledge and a phenomenal platform for businesses to reach a global audience. But you can't just magically connect to all of this. You actually need 4 specific things working together. First up, obviously, a computer. Next, you need a modem and a way to transmit the data, like a telephone or a broadband data line. You're also going to need an internet browser, which is the software you use to surf around. And finally, you have to have an active account with an internet service provider, or an ISP. If you're missing even one of those 4, well, you aren't getting online. On to Section 3, Key Internet Terminology. Think about it like a physical book on a library shelf. A website is basically a collection of related digital web pages all linked together. But how do you actually find it? Well, every single website has a completely unique address, and we call that a Uniform Resource Locator, or URL for short. It's exactly like typing a street address into your GPS to find a specific building, just in the digital world. And following that same logic, think of the home page as the front door of that building. When you type in a URL, the home page is exactly where you land first. It gives you the introductory info and, most importantly, all the essential links you need to navigate around the rest of the site. Now, here's a distinction people get wrong all the time. Don't confuse the internet with the World Wide Web. The www is specifically the massive information system that sits on the internet. It's the system holding those millions of websites filled with text, animations, and videos. Basically, if the internet is the physical highway, the World Wide Web is the massive, sprawling city built right on top of it.
All right, Section 4, Browsers and Search Engines.
So we really need to highlight a vital distinction here between 2 totally different tools. A web browser, like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox, is the actual software application installed on your device that you open up. But a search engine, like Google, Yahoo, or Bing, that is a program used inside the browser. It constantly scans the web, indexing pages so you can actually find what you're looking for just by typing in a few keywords.
As for getting started, it's super simple. You just hit your computer's start button, head over to All Apps, and scroll down until you spot your favorite web browser. Give that icon a click, and you're in.
Once that browser is open, searching is a breeze. Just type in your keywords, press enter, and boom, you've got a whole list of relevant search results. See one that looks helpful? Just click the link, and you're there.
Let's bring it all together in Section 5, Solving the Practice Questions. Okay, Time to apply everything we just went over. I'll read through the concepts, give you a quick second to think about it, and then we'll reveal the answers. Let's see how much you actually retained.
Let's speed through this multiple-choice recap. We know the Internet is absolutely the network of networks. Its front door? That's the homepage. www stands for World Wide Web. Chrome is definitely a web browser, and to find anything, you just type keywords into a search engine. Simple enough, right?
Moving to the short answers. Number 1, the Internet is a global system of interconnected networks. Number 2, 3 massive advantages are online shopping, e-banking, and searching for information. And number 3, the most common use globally is definitely email. Continuing on with these, remember your 4 vital connection tools are a computer, a modem or data line, a browser, and an ISP. The main difference for question 5 is that a website is a bunch of linked pages, while the browser is the software you use to actually look at them. And finally, a URL is just a unique address, while search results are the matching websites you get back after looking something up.
Okay, zooming through the fill-in-the-blanks. You use a web browser and search engine to find a website's URL and land on its homepage. Now for true or false, remember the Internet isn't owned by just one country, so that first one is false. It is true you don't always need a dial-up modem if you have a data line. And remember, Yahoo and Bing are search engines, not browsers, making that last one false too.
For the column matching, this is a perfect one-to-one recap. The Internet matches up with a global network, a website is a collection of web pages, the home page is your start page, the browser is how you access it all, and the search engine is your trusty tool for finding things with keywords.
Let's wrap up the exercises with a quick visual game. Take a look at these logos. Did you manage to identify all 4? Going left to right, we've got the classic G for Google, the purple exclamation mark for Yahoo, the lowercase b for Bing, and that paw print logo on the end is Baidu.
To wrap up this explainer, I want to leave you with this really powerful thought, straight from the summary of our source text. The Internet lets a man sit in one place and explore the world. You've got the network, you know the terminology, and you understand exactly how the tools work. So my question to you is, what part of the world are you going to explore today? Thanks for hanging out and learning with me, and I'll catch you next time.